Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be opening the TP-LINK switch. So as I said, today we are going to be opening the TP-LINK TL-SG1024D, which is a 24-port Gigabit desktop switch that has been getting a lot of attention in the networking world. Whether you're setting it up at home or office or expanding maybe your small business, this switch just might be worth your consideration. So my first impression is that the package is pretty sturdy and slick. All of the essential informations for the marketing are on the front, displayed on the front. So let's go ahead and open it up to see what's inside. So at the beginning, of course, we have some manual, installation guide, and another installation guide. Of course, we have the switch itself, which is securely covered with some foamy thingies. Yeah, I guess you could say this securely packaged. It was securely packaged. And yeah, here's the switch itself. We also have some other things. We have a power cable. We have installation brackets, I guess, and some screws. We also have, I think this might be just legs for the switch. And of course the switch itself once again. So let's put the box aside. Right, yeah, it's probably the legs because we have holes here for them. So let's see what we have. We merge everything, so we have a power cable, brackets, screws, and stands for the switch. So, and of course we have the paper thingies. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.